You're watching How Leap. Let me show you how to set a spatial wallpaper on your iPhone with iOS 26. This feature creates a 3D depth effect. First, ensure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26. Open the Settings app, tap Wallpaper, tap Add New Wallpaper. Look for the Spatial category. Select the spatial wallpaper from the options. You can also use your own spatial photo if you have one taken with a compatible camera. Tap Add. Choose whether to set it for your lock screen, home screen, or both. Tap Done. The wallpaper will now have a depth effect when you tilt your phone. For more simple software tutorials, subscribe to the How Leap channel.